Alright guys, we got a donkey Stomper 16Pill. This is a rebuild. See up your transmission. This is another one like another one. It went to one shop, went to another shop, went to another shop. One of my customers bought it used. And it had been changed all up. He sent it to me for a rebuild and we rebuilt it. Same story. Went 2 or 3 places and long story short, ended up back here and got fixed. Alright. Straight through SWR. Input tune. Radio drive. 1, 2, worldwide. Radio, box on, input SWR. Ain't gonna do much of radio drive, but we'll turn it on here, 24 on slug. Worldwide, so about 250, 300, worldwide, 0 refund. Alright, we're gonna turn the Texas Star on. Let y'all know it's gonna be 200 in. I'll show you here. 25 on slug, Texas Star, worldwide, 200 in. Turn it back on. Reflect, worldwide. 2500 watt, 200 in. This is the way it should be run just about here. Worldwide, get on down. You're close to 2500. We're running 15 volts. Hello, no, we're actually running 14.8. Hello. Alright. 5000 watt slug, PP. Worldwide, 2400. Get on down. Alright. It's 200 drive. Go over here and click on the big boy, the mean 2-pill. Y'all know the mean 2-pill. Whole voltage. Beavis gate donkey. Alright. PEP 2500. This is a drive. Worldwide. So we're doing about 300 is what it does. Turn on the 16-pill. Output reflex. Worldwide. Listen to what? 2500. Worldwide. 5000 watt slug. PP. We're in that middle scale. 22,000, 30,000, 4,000, 5,000. 300 watt drive. Worldwide. That's all it needs to do right there. That's plenty for 16 HG, 1600 watt pills. Worldwide 3,300. Get on down. Just for kicks and laughs and giggles, I'm going to turn it on like a 1x2. This is a bragging watch, that's it. Not going to help you do nothing, you don't even need to run it this way, but I like showing it for the naysayers. 5000 watt slug. Worldwide. 4,000, no problem. Get on down. That was with, let's see, what was I putting in there? I'll show you. 2500 watt slug is our input. We're always putting about 500-600 in there. About 600 in, which is really too much. About 400 peak, 300 peak. But it is fun to show out the looky-loo watts, but that ain't how I run it. Worldwide, get on that. I would put about 300 in if it was me. Worldwide, about 3,400. One thing I do want to caution to remember, dead key on this box, 25 watts per output transistor. This 400 watt max dead key. I'm not even close to it because my radio, let's turn my radio on high. So we get close right there, that's the max. That's the max carrier, okay? But I just want to stress that, worldwide. You see it's doing about 1200 average, but if I had me a big Cobra hooked up, like some of these guys do, I can build me a 20. I might end up doing it, just so I can show the average watts. But if you go into it, average is on a bird, is for dead key only. Open your bird manual and read it sometime. It says, a bird in average mode cannot read forward AF modulation properly or accurately. Let me explain today, but everybody can do what they want to do, so what they want to say. That's my opinion. You know, everybody's got theirs. But there she is, Donkey Stomper 1600 HD rebuild. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all for 018 Beavers. Catch you later. Bye bye.